Every drop of milk begins at the source. Controlled environments ensure consistency. Hygiene starts before extraction.
Technology handles the delicate work.
The flow is continuous and monitored.
Every parameter is measured.
Human oversight remains essential. Individual streams become one. Cooling begins immediately. Freshness is preserved. Raw milk rests under control. Uniformity is maintained. Quality checks begin early.
Traceability is mandatory.
The next stage approaches. Distance is carefully managed. Transport is prepared. The journey continues beyond the farm. Fresh milk moves under sealed control. Security begins before movement. Cold preservation is maintained. Transfer is complete.
Integrity is locked.
Every batch is traceable. Transport begins. The source is left behind.
Distance is measured in minutes.
Stability protects quality. Temperature never breaks. The factory awaits. Verification is instant. Movement stays precise.
Safety before transfer.
Processing begins next. This is where scale takes over.
Entry points are tightly controlled.
Sealed systems protect quality. The system carries it forward. Stability is engineered. Quality checks never pause. The environment changes. Human access is controlled too. This is industrial precision. The factory receives its input. Routing is automated. Limits are enforced. Consistency is preserved. Verification comes next. The factory confirms quality.
Processing is cleared to begin.
Preparation begins immediately. Unwanted particles are removed first. Only clean milk continues. Cleaning happens without stopping. Centrifugal force takes over. Density separates what eyes cannot see. Purity increases with every step. Nothing unwanted moves forward. Flow is stabilized. Consistency is engineered. Cold chain remains unbroken.
Human eyes still verify.
Sorting happens digitally. Each batch follows its purpose. Final checks before transformation.
Clean systems protect the product.
The next stage is ready.
Transformation begins here. Core processing begins with precise heating. Controlled heat eliminates harmful bacteria. Every degree is crucial. Precision controls the process. Verification never stops. Uniformity is maintained. Homogenization begins. Creamy consistency is engineered. The product stabilizes. Temperature control is critical. Freshness is locked in. Every batch follows its route. Holding ensures readiness for packaging.
Human oversight confirms technology.
Automation guarantees consistency. Order prepares for movement.
Organization ensures efficiency.
Synchronization prevents interruption. Every vessel is precisely positioned. Accuracy defines quality. Transformation begins as milk meets packaging. Milk transitions seamlessly through transformation. Accuracy is checked with precision. Every bottle is aligned for perfection. Every detail is now precise and perfect.
Automation orchestrates every movement.
Precision is automated. Organization prepares for dispatch. Paths unite toward storage. Every layer is meticulously positioned. Protection is integrated seamlessly. Accuracy is constantly verified. Transport integrates with automation. Inventory is precise and traceable. Temperature is never compromised. Cleanliness is automated too.
Humans supervise, machines execute.
Safety is integrated at every step. Automation carries the load efficiently. Every movement is recorded.
High-tech systems ensure flawless production.
Human eyes confirm perfection.
Protection seals every pallet. Traceability is maintained. Movement remains controlled. Order keeps the process efficient. Environment is carefully controlled. Everything is ready for delivery. Every unit is accounted for. Dispatch preparation begins. Final checks guarantee accuracy. Everything flows toward shipment.